Okay, so there are 5 signs that a chemical change may have occurred. So a different color may be produced. So for example, you put 2 liquids in together and they're both clear and you get a pink, a liquid now that's pink rather than clear. That would be the sign that chemical change has occurred. You may get an odor. So for instance, you mix 2 chemicals together and now all of a sudden it smells like rotten eggs. That would be an odor indicating that a chemical change has occurred. You may get bubbles that appear, or a gas that's formed. So actually when you open your pop, that though would be like a physical change, just like because of the pressure within the can. But if I took vinegar and baking soda and I mix those 2 together that don't normally have bubbles, and then all of a sudden I get a whole lot of bubbles, that would be actually a chemical change. Now, we also could have a solid that forms during a chemical reaction. So maybe you've had experiences with this before, where you've mixed 2 things together and then you get kind of like this gritty stuff on the bottom. Or for instance, if you've ever mixed like orange juice and milk, those 2 things actually cause a chemical reaction that causes the milk to congeal and to make these globs, and it's really nasty. But that would be a chemical reaction. And then finally, maybe some energy is given off. So for example, it could be light, heat, or sound. So it could be, a big pop is made when you've mixed the 2 together. Maybe, you can feel it warms up, or maybe it cools down, or it emits some light, kind of like a glow stick would be an example of that.